Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Creative Cloud Assets tools step by step clearly. Open your computer and navigate to the Creative Cloud application. Launch the Creative Cloud app by double-clicking its icon. Once the application is open, look for the Assets tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Assets tab to view all the available features related to your assets. Locate the Installed section, where you will find a list of all installed assets tools. Identify the specific asset tool you wish to uninstall from the list. Hover over the asset tool's name until you see an ellipsis icon appear. Click on the ellipsis icon to reveal a drop-down menu with options. From the drop-down menu, select Remove to initiate the uninstallation process. A confirmation dialog will appear asking if you're sure you want to uninstall the asset tool. Confirm your choice by clicking on Remove in the dialog box. The Creative Cloud application will start the uninstallation process. Wait for the process to complete, which may take a few moments. Once uninstalled, you will see a notification confirming the removal of the asset tool. To ensure everything is removed, you can refresh the installed section. If the tool is no longer listed, it has been successfully uninstalled. You can now close the Creative Cloud application, as the uninstallation is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.